there, this is Jordan with Sunset Cars of Auburn, and if you've been looking for a new luxury car without the high price, this is a great choice. It's a 2008 Buick Enclave CSL, stock number 97421. If you type that number in on our website, sunsetcars.com, you're going to get to see all the features and awards. And there's a lot to go through, both with features and awards. But I'll start with talking about just a couple of the awards. It got a Vehicle Satisfaction Award for SUVs, top safety pick with 4- and 5-star crash test ratings. Recommended by Consumer Guide, it got Smart Choice Operating Cost, Maintenance Cost, Smart Choice Fuel Cost, and an Ideal Vehicle Award, along with Consumer's Top Rated. And probably about 8 more. But there's just a couple. Beautiful interior, as you can see, with an optional 3rd row. It's folded down right now for extra space, but if you wanted extra people in the back, you can do that too. I really like the light wood accents on the doors as well, with the chrome accents. It also has a dual moonroof with a sunshade, and lots of technological features. Wait until you hear everything this car has. It has rear entertainment with separate rear audio headphone jacks, so you don't have to listen to the kids watching SpongeBob while you're driving. It also has technological features for you as the driver. It has Sirius XM satellite radio with auxiliary audio input where you can plug your phone into it and you play stuff off of your phone or your MP3. It has a CD player as well, of course, with a radio data system, hands-free phone, OnStar satellite communications. It has memorized settings for 2 drivers, which is awesome. With all the seat adjustments you have, it would take a very long time to get it back to the way you want. This way, you and your spouse or your friend or whoever drives your car can get it back too. It also has a premium brand Bose sound system and a digital display in the front, heated mirrors, power adjustment with a turn signal. Little thing in contrast to everything else this car has, but really you should take a look at all the different features this car has by taking it for a test drive. And make sure when you come in, you tell them that Jordan sent you, and don't forget that we take your trade-ins, paid for or not, and we buy cars. So coming into Sunset.